What's going on YouTube? So again, I'm going to keep this video short because I know you all's attention spans are getting shorter. Everybody want to get in shape. A lot of guys want to have these nice bodies, chest, triceps, biceps, and abs and all that. This is a pro and a con combined. So the topic that we're talking about today, hard truth, having a nice body, a pro and con. It's a pro and a con. So listen, man, when you got a nice body, everyone want to try you. I'm just gonna put it out. If you aiming, say, listen, man, I'm gonna get myself in shape. I'm gonna have a nice abs. I'm gonna have shredded muscles and stuff. Listen, the whole world gonna try you. That's what it's gonna be like. Now, the reason I say it's a pro and a con is because once you go through it, you learn to raise your confidence level on how to deal with those kind of things, so it doesn't bother you anymore. To this very day, man, I'm still hit with challenges, and I would say the best thing to do is just stay in your masculine frame, ignore it. Somebody come within your personal space, you knock them out. That's what that is. But anyway, that's another topic. Everybody want to try you. Listen, I'm not even kidding. I'm 5'9.5". I had at that time I had a big beard. It's like 3 years ago. I had a big beard. Before I got my car, I was catching the public transportation. I had a big beard, bald head. I'm normally bald in the summer. Anyway, shredded out my mind. I'm 5'9.5". This little dude, he about 5'4", 5'5", maybe. This dude, and there's some women behind him, and they already laughing at him because like he's like short and he's trying to be all cool and stuff. This dude gonna get up next to me in the back of the bus. He gonna say something. This is exactly how he did. He's not talking to me. He's talking away from me, but trying to talk at me. He's gonna say some. Come on, man, what you doing, man? You staring at me? You gay or something? This is exactly what he's doing. He's talking to me, but he's talking away from me. He's looking down, and he's like this. I'm just like looking at him. I'm just laughing at him. Now, the women in the back, they see him doing this. They laughing at him even more. So now they laughing at his height, and they laughing at his insecurity. That's one incident. I just walked past him, just opened up the door, got out the bus anyway. Man, listen, one of the guys at my church, one of the good brothers at my church, this man about 6'5", 6'6", probably at that time, he lost a lot of weight now, but around that time, he's about 350, about 400 pounds. This dude gonna look down at me. I'm 5'9.5". He's about 6'5", 6'6". He gonna look down at me and say, "So you think you can take me?" I'm just like, "Oh, come on now." Again, man, when you go through these things, once you get yourself in shape, you learn how to like deal with them. And some will be like little small jabs like this. Some would be a little bit like tougher jabs, just people just trying you. I had another incident, whereas me and my pastor, we went to my pastor plays a lot of basketball, so he invited me out. We go to a basketball court at his gym. We about to play some basketball. As soon as I step one toe on a basketball court. That's a very good area. Everything, a high rank gym. The guys on the basketball gonna say, "Oh, look at muscles over there." Man, just let me get my towel. Let me get my church shoes off. Let me change into my basketball gear, man. Then you all can like do it, man. So, man, listen, man, I'm gonna tell you all. I'm gonna be straight with you because I'm not gonna lie to you. And I want all my guys out there that's getting their body weight. I want you all to be ready for this. I'm gonna tell you, when you get in shape, you get a nice body, get a nice physique, you start getting shredded, start seeing some abs, muscles, stuff start to pop. The world they gonna test you. I don't know why it is. It's just what it is. But I want you all to be ready for it. So don't be thinking you're just gonna be on the beach flexing. You're gonna have that one dude be like, "Hey, he gay." You're gonna have that one little short dude say, "Wanna box it out?" Look, I don't know, but watch this video. As long as you all watching this video, you all have ever witnessed anything like that, comment below. Subscribe. I already kept this video too long. Blessings. Be safe. I'm out.